Hello everyone, welcome back to MADRAS VL Vimala channel. In this video we are going to learn 15 ways of simple and exciting ways of greeting people on Christmas. Let's learn. The first one is wish you and your family a memorable Christmas. Second one, wish you to have a magical or wonderful or joyful or blessed Christmas. This can be said as together or it can also be said in a simple sentence taking each expression. The third one is wish you holly jolly Christmas. The fourth one is wish you hope, peace, joy and love as you celebrate Christmas. Fifth one is wish you to have world of joy and peaceful heart. Sixth one, may your life be filled with love and good luck. Have a lovely Christmas. Seventh one, wish your home be filled with full of laughter and eternal happiness. Eighth one, may this Christmas bless you with more magical moments. Ninth one, I hope this Christmas brings you lot many reasons to smile. Tenth one, may the stars in the sky bring you the gift of hope and love. 11th one, I wish this Christmas makes you to see new possibilities and merry memories. What a bright time and right time to wish you to have a wonderful Christmas time. The last three expressions are going to be a little intimate. It can be used for your family members or members who are like a family to you. Let's see this expression. The 13th one is, it's amazing to have good people like you in our lives and celebrating Christmas. The 14th one, our hearts are with you and your family with all our love, wishing you and your family a happy Christmas. The next one, the final one is, I can't imagine the Christmas without you. Thank you for being the greatest gift. I hope this video is useful to you. Using these expressions, you may wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching this video till the end of it. Until we meet in the next video, take care.